Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Anadel Kisses, if you don't know me yet. So, if you are new here, please do subscribe, hit that bell button, and don't forget to leave a comment and a thumbs up. Alright, on today's video, I will be doing an unboxing thing. As in, I delayed it. It was arrived a week ago, but I'm too lazy to do it. And I still have that one there, the Lovo ring light. Pero hindi ko pa talaga siya na-open. It was arrived yesterday, but the other one I'm going to unbox is arrived just last week. So, unahin ko muna i-unbox yung arrived last week. Alright, so let's begin! So, it was arrived last week na. So, wala akong time. I'm too lazy. It is a, let's see what inside. Charot. It's a ring light, guys. So, nabili ko siya. At first, akala ko yun na yung, yung malaki siya. Pero when I check again, it was maliit pala siya kasi 18 inches lang siya. So, hindi siya gaano kalaki. So, this is it. Pansit. It will be fit on your mobile phone, as usual. If you have a mobile phone, fit lang siya sa mobile phone. So, they just fit sa aking phone when I do live. So, I cannot carry it. And so, let's begin. Magtanong kami. I'm gonna open it. Yung nahulog, ito siya. So, I'm sure this will be for your camera. If you have, ano na siya? Paano ba ito? Hindi ko man. Ha? Baliktad ba to? So, ayan na siya, ladies. Na-attach ko na siya everything, except for the DSLR. Yun nga, maliit siya, no? Sobrang disappointed kasi I was thinking malaki siya. Pero maliit pala siya. Ganito lang siya kalaki. If you see. Pero mahaba yung ano niya, ha? Mahaba yung malaki yung ano ba? Matangkad. Ano matangkad? Hindi ko kabalo Tagalog yung ginoo ko. So, this is where you attach your mobile phone. And, yeah. Tsaka may USB siya. So, I already attached it. USB siya na pwede mo siya i-attach kung yun sa plug-in ng mobile phone if you can. So, I already did it. Tsaka yung, you see here, meron siyang, parang remote. So, we'll turn it on. Let's see. Ayan, naka-turn na siya. So, we'll add natin ang plus. Or yan, white. Yan. So, warm and white yung ano niya. So, let's see. I-attach ko yung phone and then I'll come back. Okay, ayan siya. At first, warm siya. Then, let's do the white. Yan yung white niya. Tsaka ito siya, if you can see. So, that's the white. And this is the white, sorry. Then, this is the one. Which one do you prefer? Tsaka, so, yan lang talaga ang makakaya niya na light na ma-produce sa'yo. So, turn off natin. See what's there. Turn off natin. And, ano yung pinakabas. Bought this for $89 and I was expecting malaki siya. 89. Tapos may shipping pa yan. So far okay naman siya, pero I don't recommend this bringing video clients. I prefer the big one. Okay, nice jud siya. But so far okay man po siya ang, di ba, kinalabasan niya. But I don't recommend it if you going to, out with your doing with your clients kasi maliit siya and it's not producing that much light. So I prefer the big one. And actually this one is suitable for just doing live streaming online like Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, but I don't recommend it bringing to your clients. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you will like it, and if you're new on my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button, and don't forget to leave a comment and a thumbs up. Bye for now. Bye. See ya. See ya.